Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome you all in EVS session. How was your examination? Hope your examination was good. So, today we are going to start new chapter. Before that, I am going to ask you some question. Now, children, tell me, what is this? Yes, these are bicycles. Now children tell me, how do you come to school? So some are telling ke we are coming in school bus. So some are telling ke my mama comes for the dropping you, है ना, on the bike. Here you are coming by bus. Some are telling that we are coming by auto. So you are coming from your home to school. So daily what you are doing? You are traveling. And leaving time you are going school to home. So you are traveling means you are going from one place to another place. It is called a travel. So we are going to learn means we are going to start chapter number 7. It is a transport means how you are going. People are using different ways for going from one place to another. See children, look at here. This is a one picture. Here this is a one school bus, one lady, and here also this person and this lady. Now look at the picture carefully. Can you tell your friends how people shown in the picture are traveling? Adil is going to school in a. So where is Adil? Yes, he is a Adil. So Adil is going school in a school bus. So you have to write here. Miss Paul is using a dash to reach her office. So where is Miss Paul? Yes, he is. She is. So she is using cycle auto. So you have to write here. So children, we are going to learn about different types of mode of transport. So children, here I have written early human. So early human means they are also doing traveling. Yes, they are also going from one place to another place. Early they are going by walking. Then they search wheel. So they are using this wheel. Slowly they'll searched many things. Then they use animals for carrying their load. So slowly they are using bullock cart, horse cart, camel cart. They are using donkeys also. है ना? So early human also using means early human also did traveling. So look at here children. We are going to do first of all loud reading. You have to put the finger line by line. Understand children? See here. We need to move from one place to another for many things. Some places are close by, so we may walk to such places. However, we cannot go everywhere on foot. We need different vehicles to travel from one place to another place. It makes moving from place to place easier and faster. Understand children? For example, you are living in a society. So, out of the society, there is a one shop. है ना? Green grocer. Your mama is telling के go and buy apple. So you have to, this is a walking distance. So you have to come by walking only. Understand? We should not use bike or any scooter. We have to protect our earth also. Understand? Or use your bicycle. Understand? Now let's know more. When things are or a people are taken from one place to another, it is known as a transportation of people or a things. The vehicles used for transporting are known as a means of transport. So, means of transport means we are using different types of vehicles. So, it is called a means of transport. Modes of transport. We travel by land, water, and air. Land transport, water transport, and air transport are the three modes of transport. We are going to learn about land transport. So, land transport is the transportation of people or things from one place to another on a land only. Means we are using many vehicles from one place to another place on the land only. It is called a land transport. It is called a land transport. Roadways. So, people are going for one place to another place on the road only. So it is called a road transport. Understand? India has many streets and roads that connect villages, towns, and cities. We see many vehicles such as bicycle, car, buses, trucks, auto rickshaw, and scooters taking people and things from one place to another on the road everywhere. In short, people are using different vehicles on the road are called a roadways, means road transport, which are bicycle, car, buses, trucks, and auto rickshaw and scooters. Now railway. This railway also means train also running on the road only. So it is also coming on land transport. Trains runs on a rail lines called a tracks on a land. They help to transport people and goods over long distance in a short time. Trains arrive at the and depart from railway station. There are two types of train: passenger trains and goods trains. Passenger trains take people from one place to another. Goods trains carry only goods. So this is a children, look at here. This is a picture of a railway station. Means there are two types of trains are there. Passenger trains and goods trains. Means for example in the Punjab there wheat crops are going in a high amount. In Gujarat rice crops are growing in a high amount. So this Punjab and Gujarat transport this Punjab state gives wheat to Gujarat and this Gujarat gives rice to Punjab. But how it comes in our state? By these goods train. Understand? So goods trains are using for to carry only goods, mean only things only. Passenger train, we can see many peoples, means people who are traveling in a train or in a bus, they are called a passenger. Understand? We have to before going train we have to take a ticket also. Take a tickets also. We have to follow each rules and regulation of the train. Before 10 minutes we have to go on the train. With the tickets only we are traveling we have to travel in the train. Today, a fast train system called the metro runs within many cities. People nowadays like to travel in metros to avoid the heavy traffic on roads. So, metro train maybe it is in the Delhi. People are using, means it maybe it will it run not maybe it runs within a many cities. Nowadays people want to avoid traffic, so people are using trains for going from one place to another place. See here, Trams are another mode of land transport. These vehicles run on a track laid on the road. Trams are mostly used for traveling within a city. In India, Kolkata is the only city to have a trams as of today. I am going to send one picture of these trams in with this video only. You have to see what is a trams. Understand, children?